A new organic beauty care brand sought to make a strong impression. Untold love by nature. Two intertwining leaves cleverly form the heart. This is the centerpiece of the design. Harmony, balance. This subtle yet powerful symbol summarizes the core of ULBN. CR8 developed a cohesive packaging design too. The design incorporates the core elements of the brand. Craft paper design is used to enhance the brand's organic essence. A silver lining logo is given to intensify the premium outlook. Reflect on the brand's commitment to sustainability and natural ingredients. Evoking a sense of tranquility and well-being. ULBN, Untold Love by Nature.